Hey everyone and welcome back. Today we are breaking down a head-to-head comparison between two major delivery apps, DoorDash versus Instacart in 2025. So, whether you're looking for food, groceries or side hustle opportunities, this video covers it all, from delivery speed and pricing to app experience and availability. Let's find out which one really worth your time and money in 2025. So let's start with what each platform specializes in. DoorDash focuses primarily on restaurant food delivery, but in recent years, it expanded to convenience store item, alcohol, and even groceries. Instacart, on the other hand, is dedicated to grocery delivery. It partners with big names stores like Costco, Walmart, Kroger, and more, allowing you to shop for multiple retailers in one place. So if your goal is dinner from your favorite restaurant, DoorDash is your go-to. If you're stocking up on weekly groceries, Instacart is built for that. Now, here's where things get a little tricky. DoorDash typically charges a delivery fee between $2 to $6 plus service fee and optional tips. Their DoorDash Pass subscription is at $9.99 per month that will give you free delivery and reduced fee from partnered restaurants. And it's a great deal if you order often. Now, Instacart also has a delivery fee, usually around $3.99 to $7.99 depending on the order size and time of the day. They offer an Instacart Plus membership at $9.99 per month, which includes free delivery for orders over $35. Plus additional perks like family accounts and 5% credit back on pickup orders. So both have subscription that pay off if you're a frequent user, but Instacart's minimum order limit and tipping system might make it slightly pricier overall for groceries. Now, in 2025, both apps are clean, fast, and user-friendly. But there are some differences. DoorDash interface is optimized for quick browsing, order tracking, and restaurant categorization. The real-time driver tracking and quick reorder options make the app super convenient for busy days. While Instacart app is more detailed, especially when shopping for multiple grocery items. You can communicate directly with your shopper, approve substitutions, or cancel specific items mid-order. It's more hands-on but require more attention. So if you like quick and simple orders, DoorDash wins. If you want control over your grocery list, Instacart gives you more flexibility. Now, DoorDash is known for faster deliveries, usually within 35 to 45 minutes depending on location and restaurant prep time. It's ideal for immediate cravings or last time meals, while Instacart typically delivers within 2 hours, but the time can vary based on your shopper's schedule, store traffic, and item availability. That said, Instacart has improved its same-day delivery speeds, especially in urban areas. So in terms of speed, DoorDash is faster, but Instacart offers a more thorough experience, especially for detailed grocery shopping. Now, in 2025, both services has expanded into new areas. DoorDash is now available in more than 7,000 cities across North America, including small towns and suburbs. Its partnerships with convenience stores and pharmacies also boost its utility. While on the other hand, Instacart is widely available in over 5,500 cities, especially near large retailers. However, it may not work as well in rural areas or locations without participating grocery chains. So for most major areas, both are reliable, but DoorDash may be slightly more widespread, especially for non-grocery items. Now, let's talk about what else can you get. DoorDash now offers groceries, pet supplies, alcohol, flowers, and quick delivery from Dollar General and CVS, making it a multi-purpose platform. And Instacart, while focused on groceries, also delivers pet food, household essentials, office supplies, and more from places like Best Buy, Staples, and Sephora. So both platforms have expanded, but DoorDash has more instant delivery options, while Instacart is best for large item grocery runs. Now looking at it from side hustle perspective, if you're thinking of driving or shopping for extra income, DoorDash drivers who are dashers earn through deliveries with tips and can earn more during peak hours or promotions. Instacart shoppers can either deliver or shop in-store with potential for larger payouts on big grocery orders. So, DoorDash offers more quick turnaround gigs while Instacart gigs take longer but may pay more per order. So which is best in 2025? Choose DoorDash if you prioritize speed, convenience, and variety, especially for meals and small essentials. You can choose Instacart if you need a detailed, scheduled grocery shopping experience with better item level control. It really depends on your lifestyle or what you're ordering. Let me know in the comments which one do you use more, DoorDash or Instacart. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell for more useful tech apps and reviews every week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.